You good?
Yo, mama, make me my food.
I'm so hungry, mama.
Bitch, I want that sandwich.
Yeah, make it a grilled cheese too.
If you put some sandwich meat, I'll be extra happy.
Lots of pickles.
And some mustard.
Make sure you get them jizz stains right out my undies too.
Make my bed, bitch.
And take my clothes out the dryer.
And I ain't taking out no trash tonight, how?
I ain't never moving out.
You think you gonna get me out of this house? You can't.
I'm 45 and I ain't never moving.
Yeah.
Mommy, will you cut the crust off my bread? And after you're done, please make my bed. When you gonna move out? I said when I'm dead. And stay at home, son, cause that's what I am. Never gonna grow up, and that's my plan. Why would I move out my parents' home when they paying for everything, include my cellular phone? They only get mad when I'm caught getting dome. I don't pay rent and I don't buy food. Chewing with my mouth open and being rude. Tell me get a job and I'll change my mood. I'm kicking and screaming, I'm being very demeaning. Take out the trash and do the dishes. I look at Mowgli, say, yeah, ha, she wishes. She tries to smack me, but I move and she misses. She talks to me like that, she'll be sleeping with the fishes. Now I only gotta pop, give me a soda pop. Then I realize he's on the phone with a cop. I stopped real quick and said no. Locked up for murder with a guy named Bo.
Never growing up, forever staying young. Create great music, staying clever with my tongue. And the weed in my lungs don't exist where I'm from. I'm never gonna work, I'm a stay-at-home son. Got no dough, so I'll break you off with kindness. All up in the store like, mama, could you buy this? Go home, click, play with my new goods. So much free time, I do all the stuff you wish you could do. Stay grimy like underneath shoes. Hot box in the booth. Bake like a group of Jews. Pick and choose. Mob not so deep like pair of twos. Stay so high you would think I need a parachute. I'm a tar head, chillin' in my car bed. Read the fine print, it's been by far said. Childish ways, all the young ladies love me. Monstrous cock, just chillin' in my snuggie. And mom still makes me cookies. And life's just a party, plus I kick it with Snooki.
No responsibility, staying home's my ability. Mom buys the food and pays the utilities. Got no job, so I have to rob. Acting like a bum, dressing like a slob. Jump up on the Schwinn, placing bets that I know I could win. Race to get the other bike, but if I don't succeed, I grin. Take off down the street, I won't give up mine after a defeat. It's my only way around, why you think I got a nice seat? Every day's a weekend, listen to the words I'll be speaking. I will never grow up, everything I do I'm cheating. My mom gives me orders, I say no, because my allowance is only quarters. I tell her to do my duties, if she don't I escort her right out the door. Turn my kitchen to a dance floor. Now the party is popping, invite all the whores. Bring my whole crew, they bring the 30 packs of brew. We drink till we fall, not many can hang, only a few. Life's a party when you stay a home kid.
Yeah, that's right, I ain't ever leaving.
45 going on 72.
45, 72, 65. Give me a 40, bitch.
I'm hungry and thirsty.
And if you die, I'm using your corpse to do shit for me.
Give me some money.
You better give me that money or else I'll steal it out your purse.
You notice my new earrings? Those mostly from you.
Yeah, you bought them. I'm gonna take you to the crazy home, though.
Yeah, and once you leave, I'm taking over this home.
This bat's got your name on it.